Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial we're going to teach you how you can lock photos in your Google Photos account really quickly. For example, to hide them from your main library here in Google Photos and to lock them with a safe password. It is actually super simple, guys. So head over to Google Photos here in the web application, for example, on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account. And basically, guys, what you want to do is select the photo or item from your library. So let me go with that one here, for example. Left click on it, and after that click on these three dots in the top right corner and select the lowermost option, which is move to locked folder. After that, Google Photos will ask you to confirm that. So make sure that you click on move here if you're 100% sure to do that. Just bear in mind, guys, that items you move to the locked folder will disappear from your main library here. As you can see, the photo is not seen or visible anymore. So to access it, you will need to scroll down here on the left hand side and access your locked folder, using your password. So let's do that really quickly. Let me log in really quickly, and after that you will be redirected to your locked folder so that you can move them from here by left clicking on them and by selecting, for example, delete permanently, or by clicking on move here to move it out of your locked folder. So let me do that just like that and repeat the same process with the other locked photo. Click on move here, and now the locked folder is empty. And if I head back to my main library, you see that these photos are visible again. And that's how I do it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.